I'm Pop Seagull, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the second palm and footwork drill on the square of my personal system of Bagua Kuntao Silat. Here you're going to learn about Sapus, or front leg sweeps. And not all leg sweeps happen, or the opportunities for them happen in a pristine moment. And this drill will assist you with being able to make those leg sweeps whenever they present themselves. Make sure the sides are the length of one long stride. Then simply make an X in the center. From here, you'll approach it in your natural stance, and as always, you're going to maintain som, or your relaxed awareness, where you allow yourself to simply stack upon your skeleton, maintain looseness, but awareness, so that you're not like a rag doll. And from here, we're going to start off with, this is a weapons-based system, so it starts with your dominant hand forward. And for me, that's my right hand. This way, you're going to see I'm going to trace, move my weight over to my left side, trace the X to the center, then bring it up and step while making a palm strike. And from here, I'm going to take my rear leg and move it up along the side of the square, and when I get to the corner, make another Sapu, a front leg sweep, and step down. And from here, in order that we face the center again, a short basset with a pressing palm, and you're facing the center again. Once again, just like we did the first time, front leg sweep, Sapu, step down. And again, along the side with your rear leg, on the corner, step down. If you notice my palms, the feet don't move akimbo, but move with my palms, so that you're coiling and uncoiling and manipulating your center, your skeleton, and rotating your joints in the motion of a kinetic chain for maximum power, precision, and body cohesion. And from here again, pressing palm back on the basset, Sapu, step down on the center, your striking palm, then again, step down, rear leg, and this is the basic practice. To slow it down, I'm going to show you the more intermediate practice, where we're going to drop our weight more som and articulate our joints more intentionally and move a little bit slower. You do the basic practice of this just so you can learn the movements. It's the intermediate portion where you learn really how to move your body and how your structure, your weight, and everything else moves on the square. The problem with most people is they rush it. They try to rush the Sapus too quickly. They become off balance, then they lose it. What I want you to do is slow down, allow your weight to sink into your feet with the idea that it moves into the ground, so you always maintain your balance and your solidity. You feel the ground path, and you can move appropriately so that you can express that ground path in all your movements and be able to accept forces that's pushed against you in an explosive manner. So this drill will help with that greatly. It's much more complicated than it looks. You can see, I'll do this again. That's it. And this one we're doing with our right leg dominant. However, you're also going to practice on both sides as we do with everything. So from here to practice for our left leg Sapus, same thing. Trace your foot on the apex, wiping your elbow, stepping down, strike. And then from here, same thing, coiling in, going forward, wiping your elbow, coiling, Sapus, step down, then rear leg facet. While my skeleton rotates around itself while coiling, spiraling, and rotating my joints, and then uncoiling, straightening out, and issuing that power into my palms. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon.